ऐसे आगे बढ़ती है इस टॉपिक का ऐसे organization where you give recognition, where you award women who are doing something different. Whatever they are doing, they are doing immense dedication and success. It becomes really important. And I think we should continue doing something like this every year. Kudos to It's amazing.
Center,
Very
center.
inspiring event. I was around so many inspirational women. I have just started my journey. So looking at their journey is giving me a lot of power and inspiration. Come on.
Wish you happy.
Thank you.
Keep showing.
Society.
Keep becoming younger.
They inspire girls want to achieve passion goals, come up with their goals, whether religious or small religious. To see these women here being on such stages, having achieved so many different things, I feel these events should happen more and more. It's a very healthy, step out and achieve their goals. Thank you, ma'am. I feel incredible. I think we should celebrate women. I feel incredible being here tonight. It's a wonderful occasion where we're celebrating women, and I'm all about being a girl's girl. So I'm so happy to be celebrating all of these wonderful women who've done such incredible work in their lives.
That's how important our events like Women Empowerment it celebrates women and women such stuff. So how important is it for society?
I think it's extremely important that we recognize the talent, the hard work, the compassion, the kindness that women possess. And we've always, like I really feel that when you teach a man, like obviously I've read it somewhere, when you teach a man, you teach an individual. But when you teach a woman, you're teaching an entire family. And that's the legacy, that's the family, that's the, beauty of being a woman. And it's very important to have more of such awards where we celebrate our mothers, our sisters, and all these incredible women.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here is Shreya. Events that celebrate
बहुत जरूरी है because they are most powerful women. Celebrate women कई जगहों से बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है and definitely जब women and I am empowering other women जो मेरे साथ काम कर रही है मेरे टीम मेंबर्स हमारे टेलर्स हमारे ऑफिस स्टाफ वेयर स्टाफ तो ये एक चीज़ जो कि genuinely है women empowerment so yeah being here is important.
As you know, I'm an event planner. It's been a decade plus in the industry. So the journey from being off stage, behind the stage to front of house, from organizing awards to receiving one is been a beautiful journey. I'd like to thank my husband, Bhavya, and my entire family, my father, mother, and my mother-in-law for this award. I think I wouldn't have had wings without them.
how important are events like Women Empowerment celebration?
I think it's utmost important. Of course, we all value each other, but nothing makes sense unless somebody recognizes it. So it is the main show of recognize
लेती है और जब हम अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस की बात करते हैं तो एक दिन तक सीमित नहीं है महिला के जो स्टोरीज है 365 डेज 24/7 और जो काम आज एक स्त्री कर सकती है अलग अलग क्षेत्र में आप देखेंगे अपरंपार है तो मोर पावर टू विमेन एंड थैंक यू टू ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर क्योंकि मोदी जी ने अभी तय किया है कि 33% आरक्षण नारी शक्ति बंधन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सक्षम महिला राजनीति में भी आ जाए।
जो यूथ आज की जो महिला को देख के जो सीख रही है उनके लिए क्या आप क्या
मैं सिर्फ ये स्टोरी बताना चाहती हूँ, जब महिलाओं को स्टीरियोटाइप करते हैं, अरे ये तो ग्लैमर की इंडस्ट्री से आती है, अरे ये तो ऐसे है, अरे वो तो ऐसे है, प्लीज कैरेक्टर असैसिनेट मत कीजिए। आज 35 साल हुए मुझे फैशन इंडस्ट्री में और 22 साल सक्रिय राजनीति में। मैं ये स्टोरी क्यों बताती हूँ, ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इससे प्रेरित हो और समझे कि अप्स एंड डाउन्स लाइफ में आएंगे, लेकिन ट्रू सक्सेस इज ओनली व्हेन यू वेक अप एवरी सिंगल मॉर्निंग एंड वर्क हार्ड एंड हार्डर एवरी सिंगल डे। दैट इज द मंत्रा फॉर सक्सेस। मैं मानती हूँ कि सक्सेस और फेलियर आप खुद डिफाइन कर सकते हैं। मैंने देखा कि मेरे 22 साल के राजनीतिक करियर में इतने अप्स इतने डाउन्स, लेकिन एक चीज़ जो आगे आपको लेके जाता है वो भाग्य नहीं है, वो हार्ड वर्क है। और जो भी ज्योतिष आपको कहे उसके ऊपर आप काम करें और कंसिस्टेंटली काम करें, ईमानदारी से काम करें, तो ये एक मिसाल के तौर पे एक स्टोरी बन सकता है।
So because I'm wearing साड़ी and I always wear साड़ी, so सिर्फ 2-4 ही लाइनें कहना चाहूँगी कि साड़ी के ऊपर, क्योंकि मैंने पहना हुआ है, पहनी हुई है साड़ी। जो साड़ी में जो नारी है, नारी जो साड़ी में है, साड़ी में जो नारी है, नारी में जो पहनी हुई साड़ी है, सच बताओ वो सब पे भारी है। सो भारतीय फीमेल जो होती है वो सब पे भारी होती है, बिकॉज वो अपनी कल्चर को रिप्रेजेंट करती है। और आज की अगर हम विमेंस की बात करें तो वो सब जगह आगे है, चाहे बात घर की हो, चाहे बात जॉब की हो, चाहे बात करियर की हो। सो अब वो नारी पहले जैसी नहीं रही है, बहुत बोल्ड, स्ट्रॉन्ग और अपने हक के लिए लड़ना जानती है। तो मैं सभी जो मेरी सहेलियां हैं, जो मेरी फ्रेंड्स हैं, सबको मैं बधाई देना चाहती हूँ कि इसी तरीके से ऑलवेज बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, ऑलवेज बी फाइटर, क्योंकि औरत है तो ही संसार है, चाहे वो आप हो या आप हो, औरत से ही आप लोग जो है जन्मे हैं। तो सभी औरतों को मेरा दिल से सल्यूट है। इसी तरीके से घर में, ऑफिस में, सब जगह अपने झंडे गाड़ते हैं।
हाल ही में आपको एक म्यूजिक एल्बम भी रिलीज हुआ, काफ़ी सारे प्यार मिले और आने वाला भी, क्या बोलना चाहते हैं आने वाले? होली भी आ रहे हैं, होली की भी क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं?
होली देखिए ऐसा है, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है खेलना, स्पेशली तब बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जब किसी की नोक झोंक देखते हैं, चाहे बात कपल की हो, चाहे मैरिड कपल की हो। और होली के दिन जब मिल जाते हैं तो जो रूठे हुए दिल होते हैं वो भी जो है खिल जाते हैं और मान जाते हैं। तो होली एक बहुत स्पेशल त्यौहार है, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग इसको गंदे तरीके से जो है मनाते हैं। तो मेरी ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़ इस पवित्र त्यौहार को गंदा ना करें, फैमिली के साथ मनाएं, और अगर किसी से प्यार है, इजहार करना है तो वो भी सलीके से करें। सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड और मैं जल्दी से वेट कर रही हूँ कि होली आए तो मैं भी रंग लगाऊँ। और जैसे अपने मुंबई शहर में इवेंट्स होते हैं, गाँव में तो गली में रिश्तेदारों में जाते हैं, बट चूँकि मुंबई शहर में इवेंट्स होते हैं और उसी इवेंट्स में जाके इंसान अपनी खुशी पूरी करता है, तो मैं भी जो है इवेंट में जाऊँगी एंड आई विल ऑल्सो हैव फन।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू
सो मच एवरीवन एंड विश यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी होली इन एडवांस। अच्छे से लगाना, और लगाना तो ऐसा लगाना कि उतरे।
आपको भी हैप्पी हो।
यस।
साइलेंस प्लीज। ओके।
It feels great. In fact, I'm receiving an award here today, and feeling powerful for sure. People say that I've inspired a lot of people, and a lot of people are from time to time inspiring me. And carrying forward that inspiration is the most important thing, because if you're inspired every day, you can really make a difference in the society and a lot of people's lives. So, just want to thank you.
बोलते ना, हैप्पी वुमेन हैप्पी लाइफ। सो बाय acknowledging women, by giving us significance, you're actually keeping the world a happy place, and that's a universal fact. Hi. How are you?
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
How does it feel today to be here at Midday Powerful Women 2026?
To be here at Midday celebrating powerful women, it just feels so amazing. I love being celebrated. I love celebrating other powerful women, and I think that's all we can do, is just be there for one another.
How important are such events that, like, how Midday is organized to celebrate women for society?
I think celebrating women should be
be a daily occurrence, which we do because we love our mothers and our sisters and our aunties and everything, but to actually have it be out there and spotlit is incredible, and yeah, I'm just very proud of it, and thank you so much for my award and recognizing me.
Too much midday, and what I feel when women support each other, then women shine, women grow more faster. So this is something which is acknowledgement for whatever things we are doing from last so many years. So thank you so much Midday, always supporting all the women on this Women's Day. So I feel so proud about that. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone who has just taken this part on my this life journey. Thank you so much. Whatever I am, that's because of you. Thank you.
I think to be a woman itself and embodiment of being graceful, strong, and resilient is why I'm here. So I think Midday and me, we've been associated for a very long time, and I have to say that this family is meant for people. Definitely encourage, support, and push people forward. And I'm really happy and honored to be here today amongst all of you. I think the society is an amalgamation of all the emotions of each gender, regardless of anyone's sexuality, caste, creed, or religion. So when people come together in an ecosystem where women are celebrated, the Nari Shakti that we call, we all are embodying all the goddesses, Durga, Kali, Saraswati, Lakshmi, or even the fact that our mothers represent so much at home, where we understand the real value of being a woman. And then you go out in the world and you experience it differently. So I think being a woman itself, you're a creator, you're a nurturer, and you're resilient because you're living in a society where challenges are for everyone. But when women are put at the forefront, the results are always beautiful, always graceful. And I always feel that there's a nourishing act of women's touch that makes it even more, I think, emotional. So I think being here today with Midday and celebrating all the gorgeous women and having the men celebrate these women as well, for me means that we're running an ecosystem where women and men today believe in the fact that equality does exist, and we are a part of it. Thank you.
I'm feeling very proud to be over here. I'm getting this Women Transforming Lives Award. Yes, I'm Dr. Kajal Tharwani from Gandhidham, Kutch. I'm cosmetic dermatologist, and yes, this is very nice award for me. Like I am transforming skin, I'm transforming hair, I'm transforming beauty, and yes, this Women Transforming Lives. I'm very glad to be over here, and thank you Midday for inviting me and felicitating me. Thank you.
Excited to come today is because we are celebrating women, and that is my favorite thing to do, to be honest. And I'm very new to the industry. Thank you so much. Midday has been so special to me that the very first time when I came for Diwali is when I had literally shifted to Bombay. And I wish that I do a lot of work and I get all the recognition from you guys, and you keep on supporting me and giving me your love. And to every woman that has won today, you totally deserve it. And thank you so much. We have so many beautiful women here, and I think beauty lies in the way that a woman carries herself, and that is very well seen in Midday tonight. Thank you.